So for our cascading roses and chocolate, I'll be using some Ferrero Rocher. And these boxes that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1.25, guys. I got these boxes during Christmas period and I'm really loving it. I couldn't believe that I actually got this for $1.25. They're so nice. Alright, and of course I'll be using some more of the velvet roses. I really love the feel of this. And then some kisses, chocolates, some paper, tissue paper, and I'll be having them placed on this mirror. And so let's get started with this without much ado. So for the cascading chocolates, I'll be using the red box because it gives more of a contrast. I love the feel of gold on red, and of course Valentine's Day, red, you know. So I'll be using this tissue paper and stuffing it because I don't want to have to fill this entire box with chocolate. I don't have that many chocolates, guys, but hey, if you have a lot of chocolate and you're actually gifting this out to someone, you may want to fill the box to the brim. All right, do not put paper underneath. All right, so I'll be stuffing this with the chocolate, and then I will go ahead to put the lid on halfway through. Because this will not stand by itself, I'll be using my glue gun to glue it on the side. Just a little bit of it. You don't want too much glue in there because you want to be able to use the box after, especially if you're only doing this at home for maybe some kind of a Valentine's Day party. So yes, and that's it. Now I will go ahead to glue the chocolates cascading down on the side from our box. I'm using very little amount of glue here because it's chocolate, for crying out loud. And I love the fact that Ferrero Rocher has this paper, this brown paper underneath, where the chocolate seems to be glued within, so you can actually pluck it out of that. All right, so it makes it easy for you to actually glue this on without actually, you know, touching the chocolate, and also easy for your guests to actually pluck that out of the box or out of your cascading box. All right, so just watch as I complete this. Hey guys, so sorry to interrupt your viewing pleasure. I just need to mention here that today's video is sponsored by our friends at Yard Tent. They specialize in homemade decor, and so I have these bedside lamps which can also be used in an office sent to me. They come in 2 pieces like this. You just need to screw them together and that's about it. It has 3 different light shades. You get to charge it and you can use it anywhere once it's charged, and then you just need to recharge it once the battery is low. Very convenient and easy to carry around as well. So make sure to check them out. The link will be in the description box below. Alright, so that's about it. Let's carry on with our DIY for today. And that is it, guys. It is very easy. And that's it. So our cascading box of chocolate is done. So next I will be doing the cascading flowers. So you can use any flower of your choosing. So same procedure, I'll be using some tissue paper just so I do not have to fill the entire box with the flowers and then have some of the roses over it. So this setup will be perfect. You can actually use this as a centerpiece for your Valentine's Day party. If you're receiving guests over, or if it's just a party for 2, yes, this would make a romantic dinner setup. All right, so I'm using some of the roses from Our Lady Valentine Diva to create the cascading roses. For our last box, the silver box, I will be pouring the rest of the Kisses chocolate into this box in no particular order. I just love that this has some silver, pink, and rose. Pink and red yeah, for Valentine's. This is very Valentine. And here we go. So we have all our boxes set, our chocolate boxes and our roses, and it is just the perfect Valentine's Day centerpiece that is also edible. Some of it, of course, not the roses, but yeah, I love Ferrero Rocher. If you know me, you already know that. So yes, this looks very romantic, very cozy, and if you're looking to propose to your girl this Valentine, you can actually have this set up in your home because of course you can't go out. It is quarantine lockdown, so yeah, you can actually do a setup like this and go down on one knee and, you know, do the needful. Well, that is just me saying, but yeah, so this is our cascading roses and our cascading chocolate box, and I just love how simple and easy it is to do this, and it looks just sophisticated, loving, very, you know, thoughtful at the same time, just enough to scream Valentine. Do let me know in the comment section how you incorporate this in your Valentine's Day decor. I would love to know. All right, so let's take a closer look at this. So yeah, if you're looking to propose to your girlfriend this Valentine, so you can definitely do something like this to keep it simple, because maybe it's just the two of you at home and it's a surprise, maybe having her come back from work and then see this. I don't know. However you want to do this, I just feel this will make the perfect centerpiece if you're trying to do a nice small surprise, something for someone this Valentine's Day on lockdown. Okay, so do let me know again in the comment section how you will incorporate this into your Valentine's Day event, or into your Valentine's Day overall, into just any event of yours, if this is something that you definitely like to try sometime. And so that sums it up for our easy Valentine's Day DIY video. So if you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to hit that like button, and also hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you. I'll be showing you yet another Valentine's Day DIY, very easy one at that. This is another Valentine's Day gift idea you can make, and that is because Valentine's Day is around the corner. So for this gift basket, or morning gift basket or box, we will be doing a heart-shaped box for this. Alright, so you could easily buy your box already made, a heart-shaped box from somewhere, but if you do not have access to that, you can actually make yours, and I am here to show you how. So I'm using a foam board from the Dollar Tree, and I used a heart mat also from the Dollar Tree, Dollarama, to trace out my heart. So if you don't know how to draw a heart shape, you can always use something like that to trace it out. But if you're good at drawing, you can actually just sketch that out, very easy. So now that we have our base, next will be to cut out the frames. So this will not be very deep in, because I'm going to be filling it up with some chocolate, roses, and some cash. And the bottom part is actually going to be, I'm going to use some foam, which will be what will hold all of those items. So make sure to score your frames so it's easy for you to fold and make the curves around your heart-shaped frame. Okay, so now that I was done with that, I will go ahead and glue that on using my hot glue. So this was a Valentine's Day gift I did for my husband last Valentine, and I thought to share with you all. So why not surprise someone this Valentine with something handmade from your heart with so much patience and love, okay? Ideally, if you can cut out a pretty long frame so you do not have to cut out the shorter ends like I'm currently doing, that would be great. But if you don't have long frames, that's perfectly okay. You can always glue them like I am currently showing you. Okay, so we're pretty much done with our box. Do not mind how imperfect that looks, because we're going to be covering up using this beautiful gift wrap also from the Dollar Tree or Dollarama. So I will measure it out to be the same size, a little bit over as the width of our heart-shaped box, and I will go ahead to have that glued around our box. Just watch as I do this. So how are you preparing for Valentine's Day? Is this something you celebrate? Or is this something you do maybe when you feel like it, like I do, or like my husband and I do, basically, because it's not something we celebrate every time, but sometimes when we feel like it, we actually do. What we do not miss out on are our birthdays and our anniversary. I believe every day is Valentine's Day, and basically the fact that Valentine's Day is basically just a marketing strategy, but I actually love the whole idea of the holiday. So yeah, I'm a sucker for love. I love love. Anyway, so here we are. Our box is ready. The inside is imperfect, which is also perfectly fine, because I'm going to be covering that up using these gift wraps or gift papers from the Dollar Tree. So of course I'm using pink and red, because those are the typical Valentine's Day colors. And I'll use some overseas foam to actually fill out the bottom prior to putting on our chocolate, roses, and our cash. Okay, so I'll use some bamboo skewers, some Ferrero Rocher chocolate. You can use any chocolate of your choosing, some $50 Canadian dollar bills, and also some $100 Canadian dollar bills, which I'll show you as we continue in this video. So using the skewers, I'm going to poke that through our chocolate, so it'll be easy for me to actually create the design I want to for our gift basket. I'll also create some kind of a design with the $50 bill and the skewers, and a little bit of tape to hold that on. Okay, so now that we're ready, we'll go ahead to put those in, and you want to put it on stylishly. You can see I have the dollar bills facing a particular direction, each one of them. Go ahead and add some $100 bills as well. In total, this was about $2,500 Canadian. Also put in some chocolates. So I know Valentine's Day is about chocolates and roses, or chocolates and flowers and cash. So why not combine all three? You know, the ultimate gift basket. Anyway, so we add some more chocolate. So basically, just putting this in as much as you want. There's no rule book to this. Make it yours, okay? So I added some 4 gypsophilias as well, just so the roses stand out a little bit more. So now that our basket is almost ready, I'm going to add some red ribbons at the middle part of our box. You can see how much difference that makes. And next thing, we're going to use some cellophane bag to actually make it an actual gift basket. Okay, so yeah. I'll go on to wrap that up, and I'll use some ribbon as well to tie the neck of it. So just to complete this. Okay, so once I had that tied up, creating some kind of a bowl or design, our gift box was all ready. What do you think, guys? Please do let me know in the comments section what your thoughts are about this money chocolate roses gift basket, or this ultimate gift box. I'd like to know. Right, guys, that's basically it for today. I just thought to share this with you guys, and hopefully someone tries it. I'd like to know. Do not forget to give this a like and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.